Good morning all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary and today's my topic is sorting techniques in Java. So what is sorting algorithm? The sorting is a class of algorithm that are tasked with rearranging the uh, position of element of an array such that all of elements are either is ascending or descending order. A good sorting algorithm also need to ensure that element having the same value does not change their location in the sorted array. Sorting is necessary for getting a concentrate understanding of data structure and algorithm. So most popular sorting algorithm in Java. So Java 5, so merge sort, heap sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, selection sort. So Java is a flexible language, is itself and support the operation of variety of sorting algorithm. Most of these algorithms are extremely flexible themselves and can be implemented with a both recursive as well as an iterative approach. So let's them about each of the Java sorting algorithms in detail. So first is merge sort. So merge sort is one of the most flexible sort algorithm in Java known to mankind. It uses the divide and conquer strategy for sorting elements of an array. It is also a stable sort, meaning that we will not change the order of the original element in an array concerning each other. The underlying strategy strategy break up the array into multiple smaller segments. Still, segments of only two elements are obtained. New elements in these segments are sorted and the segments are merged to form large segment. So merge segment, this function calculates the middle index of the subarray and then partitions the subarray into two halves. So the first half uh, run for index left to middle, while the second half run from index middle plus 1 to right. So after the partitioning is done, the function automatically called the merge. The function are sorting the subarray being handled by the merge sort. So what is merge? Merge is this function does not actual having lifting from the for the sorting process. It requires the input for of four parameters. The array is starting index left side, the middle index, so middle, and the ending index is right side. So once receive merge will split the subarray into subarray two subarray. So one left subarray and one right subarray. The left subarray run from index left to middle, and while the right subarray run index middle plus 1 to right. So second one is heap sort. So heap sort is the one of the most important sorting methods in Java. That one needs to learn a get into sorting. It combines the concept of a tree as well as sorting, properly reinforcing the use of concept from both. A heap is complete binary search tree where items are stored in a spatial order depending on the requirement. A mean heap contains the minimum element at a root, and every child of the root must be greater than the root itself. The child at the level after that much must be greater than these children, and so on. Similarly, a max heap contains a maximum element at the root. From the sorting process, the heap is sorted an array where of every parent nodes at the index. The left children is at index 2 into I plus 1, and the right child is at index 2 into I plus 2. So third one is insert and sort. So if you are quite done with more complex sorting algorithm and want to be move on to something simpler, insertion sort is the way to go. While is not much optimized algorithms for sorting an array, so it is one of the more easily understood ones. Implementation is pretty easy to in insertion sort. So one pick up an element and consider is to be a key. If the key is smaller than the procedure, it is shifted to the correct location in the array. So suppose algorithm is first is start, second one is repeat step 2 4 till the array and is reach, compares the element at current index I with it predecessor. If it is smaller, repeat step 3 4 is keep shifting element from the sorted selection of an array till the end correct location of key found, and implement increment loop variable. So for suppose the array is 3 5 4 2 1. So selection sort, so the insertion, so insertion sort is so last one is sorting the array is 1 2 3 4 5. So next one is selection sort. Selection sort is quadratic sorting algorithms are some one of the more popular sorting algorithms that are easy to understand and implement. These does not offer a unique or optimized approach for sorting the array. Rather, they should offer building blocks for the concept of sorting itself for someone new to it. So selection sort 2 loop are used. The inner loop one pick the minimum element from the array and shift it to its correct index indicates by outer loop. In every run of the outer loop, one element is shifted to its correct location in the array. It is very popular sorting algorithm in Python as well as Java. So suppose in class selection sort, for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than length a dot length. So I pose I and j is I plus 1, j loop is I plus 1 less than a dot length. So if array of j is less than array of pose, so pose is equal to j, and suppose and shifting the array, and the suppose the array consider 11 1 3 15 and 7. So the sorting the array last one answer is 1 3 7 11 and 15. So this is the sorting techniques of Java.